Are you ready to transform your financial future? Do you dream of becoming a millionaire in just 2 years? You're in the right place. Hello, and welcome to today's video where I'll be sharing with you 9 simple steps to fast-track your way to millionaire status. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Without a clear vision of where you want to be, it's impossible to map out your journey to success. Define your financial goals with precision and clarity. Step 2. Develop multiple streams of income. Diversify your sources of revenue to ensure stability and growth. Invest in passive income streams that work for you while you sleep. Step 3. Master the art of saving and investing. Develop disciplined saving habits and invest wisely in assets that generate long-term wealth. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Surround yourself with success. Build a network of like-minded individuals who inspire and support your financial journey. Learn from successful mentors and emulate their habits. Step 5. Stay committed to continuous learning. The world of finance is ever evolving, so commit to expanding your knowledge and skills. Attend workshops, read books, and stay informed. Step 6. Take calculated risks. No great success was ever achieved without taking risks. Assess opportunities carefully and be willing to step outside your comfort zone. Step 7. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Every setback is a chance to grow stronger and wiser. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and persevere in the face of adversity. Step 8. Practice gratitude and generosity. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude for what you have. Give back to others and watch how the universe rewards your generosity. Step 9. Visualize your success daily. Harness the power of visualization to manifest your dreams into reality. See yourself living the life of a millionaire and let that vision drive you forward. By following these 9 simple steps consistently and with unwavering determination, you too can pave the way to becoming a millionaire in just 2 years. Remember, the journey to financial abundance begins with a single step. Are you ready to take that step today?